How to install Gallery from Fantastico. This tutorial assumes you've already launched the Fantastico application. Now let's learn how to install Gallery. Click the Gallery link here. This is the Gallery installation screen. Gallery is an image gallery system featuring albums within albums, thumbnailing specific picture areas, captions, rotate, reorder pictures, album-based attributes, album mirroring, and more. Click the New Installation link here. Enter the name of the directory you want to install in, or leave this field blank for installation in the root directory. Enter an admin username and password in the following boxes. Enter the admin's name here. Then enter an admin email address. When ready, click here to install. Click here to finish the installation. That's it! Gallery has been successfully installed in your account, and it's ready for you to start configuring it. Click here to log into your new installation. Your new installation is now listed here on the script's homepage. From here you can visit the site by clicking here, or remove the script from your account by clicking here. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install Gallery into your account from within Fantastico. Thank you for watching.